How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed true 138 VIN. It's done in a Marina Blue with the bright blue matching interior. Super slick looking car. See all the bumpers and the chrome's been replaced. Super slick, straight down the sides. Show quality paint. It's kind of bear with us, the sun keeps coming and going today. All the rear bumpers been replaced, all the tail panel moldings and tail light bezels. The panel fitment on this car is very, very nice. Now this car's got a 69 512 block 427 in it. It's got an M22 Muncie 4-speed. Got the Hurst Competition Plus shifter. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. I tell you, I really like the choice of wheels on the car. Just really accents the car nice. Engine bays all done very, very nice. Got your billet hood hinges. Got your serpentine pulley set up, ceramic coated headers. Got thumper cam in it. Motor's fresh, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. This car's had a complete restoration. Super clean, nice car, guys. I really, really like the blue interior. It's got power windows. It's got tilt wheel. It's got the factory gauge package with a knee knocker tach. A retrofit AM/FM stereo. Headliner's nice and tight like it should be. Very, very nice car. It's got all your front and rear seat belts. Correct center console. Tilt wheel. It's kind of a shame the sun ran away on us. You just had to bear with us. Trunk's nice and clean. Got your spare. So it's really neat having the power windows in this car. You just don't see that often. Whole car very, very tastefully done. All updated wiring harness in it. We'll fire this thing up. Good sound. Ground pounding motor. It's got electric cutouts on it. tough sounding car, guys. The 12 bolt posi with 331 gear. Got 3-inch exhaust out the back. Super cool cars, guys. Get in this car, go to your shows, cruise it, enjoy it, have a riot. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.